Students, today we are going to discuss meaning of economics. As you know, various economists have given statement to define economics. According to Adam Smith, economics is the science of wealth. This means economics deals how can nations increase wealth. Second definition is welfare definition. According to Marshall, economics is a study of man in the ordinary business of life. It inquires how he gets his income and how he uses it. It means that the aim of studying economics is to promote material welfare and human welfare. The third number is the scarcity definition by Robbins. According to Robbins, economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. This means economics deals with how the scarce resources of a country would be allocated to the satisfaction of different wants. Students, fourth is growth-oriented definition. According to Samuelson, economics is the study of how man and society choose with or without the use of money to employ scarce productive resources which could have alternative uses, to produce various commodities over time and distribute them for consumption now and in the future among various people and group of society. Students' conclusion is economics is a social science which studies the way the society chooses to use its limited resources to produce goods and services and distribute them among people